Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your BeatSolo 3 has enough battery and your iPhone is signed into iCloud with Find My enabled. Once done, update iOS and any available Beats firmware so the devices communicate reliably. Next, open Settings Bluetooth, put your Beats in pairing mode and tap to connect. You do this first because a clean, current connection lets the Find My system register the headphones as a discoverable accessory tied to your Apple ID. With your Beats paired, open the Find My app and go to Devices. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are allowed so the app can detect nearby accessories. This is why permissions matter for continuous tracking. Your Beats should appear in the list with a status like Connected or a last known location. If they show, tap the entry to view options like Play Sound or Directions. This registers the headphones to your Apple ID and enables network finding features. Finish by testing Play Sound and checking the mapped location to confirm tracking works. Then enable Notify when found to receive alerts if someone else's Apple device detects your Beats. If the headphones don't appear, power cycle them, perform a factory reset per Beats instructions, and repair. This clears pairing conflicts and forces a fresh registration with Find My. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in to refresh device association.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.